I joined Trade Mastermind back in 2020, right at the beginning when things were getting going. I knew it was something good for trade businesses. They bring all the business knowledge, they bring the trade knowledge, package it all into one nice neat package. Everybody there is on the same journey with you. It's really good to sort of be in that environment, life-changing for me. There's somebody here with the knowledge and the experience to help you in every single department. Yeah, I'd probably say we've doubled turnover. I love it when we have a marketing session at the Trade Mastermind, and I love it when we have a sales session as well, because it's really important that I'm having these key sessions. We ask every single lead that comes in, where did you hear about us? And we're probably finding about 25–30% of them are from YouTube, Instagram and places like that. And this is something that I would have never had a clue about until joining the Trade Mastermind. It's so powerful. Would I recommend the Trade Mastermind? Absolutely. I can pretty much guarantee that if you know what's good for your business, you will sign up, because I've been coming back year on year because there's always something for me to take away. If you've got a decent business but you need some help, then I would highly recommend come to the Trade Mastermind, and that's why I come every month.